Hello and welcome to PDF.co. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your PDF documents in Google Drive to PNG format using PDF.co. Before you perform the steps in this video, I would suggest that you make an account with PDF.co and Zapier.com, and you should also know how to connect Zapier.com with PDF.co. If you do not know how to do this, you can check a video. I have made a video which shows how to create accounts with PDF.co and Zapier and how to connect both these applications. You can find the link in the description of this video. For now, let's start. I will show you how to convert your PDF documents in Google Drive to PNG using PDF.co. So the first step is that you have to go to this link, zapier.com/app/login, and here you have to enter your zapier.com username and password. So this is how the Zapier.com dashboard looks. Here, to make a new Zap, you have to click on Make a Zap, and from the list of applications you have to select Google Drive. Here you have to select a trigger. You want that whenever a new document is uploaded to your Google Drive, that is converted to PNG format. So here from the list you will select New File in Folder, click Continue. Here you have to select your Google Drive account, click your account, click Continue, and in the Drive field you have to select your Google Drive. I will click on My Google Drive. And in the folder, you have to select the folder that will contains your PDF documents that will be converted to PNG format. You can select your own folder. I will select mine. And then click Continue. Test trigger. So your trigger is successfully created. The next step is to connect this trigger with PDF.co. So click Continue. So PDF.co is the application that will convert our PDF documents to PNG. So here select PDF.co. If you do not find PDF.co here, you can search it in this search field. So simply click PDF.co. In the action event, here you have to select PDF to anything converter because we want to convert our document from PDF to PNG format. So click Continue. Here you have to select your PDF.co account, or PDF.co is basically PDF.co. So PDF.co account and click Continue. The output format should be PNG, so you can select it here, PNG image. And then in the PDF URL, you have to select the embed link. And finally, you have to click Continue. Here you have to click Test and Review to test your Zap. So your Zap is successful. To see your converted PNG image, simply copy and paste this link and open it in Chrome or any other browser. Here simply paste it, and there you can see your PDF document converted to PNG format. Here you can turn your Zap on here, and you can share it as well. So click on share button from top right, and then here you can add a description to your Zap. So I will name it PDF to PNG using PDF.co and Zapier, and here this Zap converts the PDF documents to PNG format using PDF.co. Click Save, and that's pretty much it. This is how you can create a Zap which converts your PDF documents to PNG in Google Drive using PDF.co. Thank you for watching.